Gregory Mannarino. I'm almost like I want to crack up right now, like literally laugh my rear end off. We're going to talk about why in just a second. So here we are on Thursday, October 29th, 2020. Let's start off with this. I mean, you want to talk about propaganda like you've probably never heard before? Apparently, we got some blowout GDP number. Took everybody by surprise, of course. Tremendous, and it's fantastic. Meanwhile, we're in an economic shutdown. Manufacturing here in the United States is falling off of a cliff. We're not exporting anything. Our trade deficit is exploding, and they want you and me to believe that we just had a blowout GDP number that shocked everyone. The number is fake, completely fake. It's all the data is fake. Anyone that is buying this is seriously deranged on an order that is just mind-blowing. The number is not real. It's complete 100% propaganda. It's utterly insane. Let's talk about some other propaganda numbers. Number one, last month they're saying that inflation is now has increased last month by 3.7%. That's a pretty tremendous number. However, we all know it's much higher than that. But that's the number they float out, you know. You can't make it up. And then here's another one for you. Now, they want us to believe that initial jobless claims, this is an abysmal number, but this is the one they're letting us know about. 751,000 for last week. Could you imagine what the real numbers are? I mean, this is insane. But again, understand why a lot of this is being done. You got all this fake data coming out of China as well. You know, their economy is doing great. They're booming. It's fake. China is in dire shape. But we're in another Cold War, in case you don't know. Wake up. So the numbers that they put out, they're all fake. Again, China's putting out fake numbers. We're putting out fake numbers. It's not real. But I'm speechless at this stuff here. They float out the fake GDP number, I think like 33%, a historic number, huge. It's not real. How anyone can buy it, you gotta be nuts. Like I explained to you, manufacturing falling off a cliff. We're not exporting anything. Our trade deficit is exploding. We got millions, tens of millions of people out of work. Another 751,000 people last week just applied for first-time unemployment benefits, and they want you to believe that we just got a blowout GDP number? It's unbelievable. It's probably in the negative. All this data is fake. Nothing is real. It's all meant to mislead you, distract you. You can't make it up. You can't make up another more twisted environment if you try to. All right, let's move forward here. Stock futures are about flat right now, slightly higher, nothing major going on. Crude oil is getting slammed yet again, just absolutely slammed. Gold and silver are under pressure. Cryptocurrencies are under pressure. The dollar is slightly stronger. And you got the 10-year yield stable. It's still relatively stable. It has come down significantly lately. Again, a lot of fear in this market, a lot of uncertainty in this market. You know the game. It's all a game, just like the data. It's a game. Everything's a freaking game. It's not real. It's the most twisted environment I've ever even heard of, thought of, dreamt about in my entire life. And the lies just keep getting bigger. Like I've explained to you since forever. The lies will continue to get bigger. But honestly, when I heard this GDP number today, I literally burst out laughing. And you probably did too. Nobody with one functioning brain cell is buying this number. It's an impossibility. But watch how it's touted today by Mr. Blowman, whatever I call him, Larry Kudlow. Great number. Super V recovery. Duh. It's impossible to make this stuff up, people. I'm telling you. Anyway, so I hope you can see through the charade, the veil of fakery that we are in right now. It's absolutely out of control. All right, look, with that said, I'm going to end this video. Please share it. Look, Let's go back to gold and silver real quick. They're getting pounded. I think, in my view, at least, this is a buying opportunity. They're already telling us we got this huge inflation number, which we know is already fake too. You look at alternative sources for inflation numbers. You're going to hear numbers like 8, 9, 10, 12%. Those are the real numbers. It may even be higher than that. This is insane, the environment we are in. But these are the numbers they're letting us see. If whatever numbers they're telling us, you understand, I think most of you, that the numbers are vastly worse. They're twisted and nothing makes sense. But that is it, an environment of lies on an epic scale. Pretty much that's it. All right, people, like I said, I'll see you later. I got a lot of work to do before this market starts. So I'll see you at the end of the day. It's going to be absolutely freaking lovely.